Hello everyone. Today I'll explain how to install Ubuntu on a virtual machine using our Oracle VM VirtualBox program. Let's start by launching our VirtualBox program. Go to the Machine tab and select New to proceed. Add a name for your virtual machine, then choose the Ubuntu ISO file that you downloaded. Press Next and wait for the process to continue. Create a username for your machine and set a password. Then press Next again. Here, it's asking how much of your computer's processor and memory you want to allocate. Drag the green bars to the end to allocate the maximum amount. Then press Next. Here, it's asking for the disk size. Choosing 20 GB should be sufficient. Press Next and then Finish to complete the process. Let's wait for the virtual machine to appear and start up. Let's click on Start Setup to begin the installation. Select your keyboard layout and click Next. Turn on location services and click Next. Here, we'll choose our time zone. Click Next. If it asks about adding an account, you can skip this step for now. Enter your name and username, then click Next. Let's create an easy password. We'll use it later in the terminal. Then let's say Next and press the Start using Ubuntu button. Then our Ubuntu is here. If you like this easy tutorial video, don't forget to like and subscribe.